Hey there, productivity enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing world of apps and tools that will take your productivity game to the next level. In today's video, we'll show you some of the best apps and tools for getting things done, as we introduce you to some of the most awesome apps and tools out there. So, get ready to supercharge your productivity and conquer your goals like a boss. But before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our productivity-packed episodes. The Job Manager. Our first productivity hero is none other than Todoist. This task management app is a game changer when it comes to staying organized. From creating to-do lists to setting reminders and collaborating with others, Todoist has got you covered. Say goodbye to scattered sticky notes and hello to a beautifully streamlined workflow. It's time to tackle your tasks like a pro. The Collaboration Champion. Next up, we have the unbeatable collaboration tool, Asana. Whether you're working on a team project or managing your personal tasks, Asana helps you track progress, assign responsibilities, and visualize project timelines. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, you'll be collaborating like a productivity superhero in no time. The Communication Maestro. No productivity journey is complete without the fantastic Slack. This communication platform keeps you connected with your team, offering channels for organized conversations, seamless file sharing, and integrations with various productivity tools. Say goodbye to email overload and hello to smooth and efficient team collaboration. The Storage Savior. In the world of file management, we have two powerful contenders, Google Drive and Dropbox. Google Drive offers not only cloud storage, but also online document editing, real-time collaboration, and effortless integration with other Google apps. Meanwhile, Dropbox provides a user-friendly interface for storing, sharing, and accessing files from anywhere. These storage saviors will keep your files organized and easily accessible. The Time Tracker. Let's talk about productivity and time management with Rescue Time. This incredible app monitors your digital activities, providing detailed reports on how you spend your time. By identifying time-wasting habits and distractions, Rescue Time helps you optimize your productivity and make every minute count. The Focus Booster. It's time to step into the forest of productivity with the App Forest. This clever tool uses gaming to help you stay focused and avoid distractions. As you avoid using your phone or computer, virtual trees grow in your forest, encouraging awareness and boosting your productivity. Get ready to conquer your tasks and grow a magnificent digital forest. The Note Ninja. And now, we have the legendary Evernote. This app is your digital note-taking companion. From capturing ideas and organizing notes to creating to-do lists and saving videos, Evernote has got you covered. With its powerful search capabilities and smooth synchronization across devices, you'll never miss a beat. The Habit Hero. Now, let's talk about building productive habits with Habitica. This app turns habit building into a fun game. Set your goals, create daily routines, and earn rewards by completing tasks. As you level up your character and unlock achievements, you'll be motivated to stay on track and develop positive habits. The Knowledge Keeper. Next up, we have Pocket. This app is your personal library on the go. With Pocket, you can save articles, videos, and web pages to read or watch later. It's like having your own treasure of knowledge at your fingertips. Say goodbye to endless bookmarks and hello to a curated collection of valuable information. The Flexible Planner. This incredible app, Airtable, combines the power of a spreadsheet with the flexibility of a database, allowing you to organize projects, track tasks, and collaborate with ease. Say goodbye to scattered information and hello to a beautifully organized and visually pleasing workspace. The world's greatest time clock. Say goodbye to productivity leaks with Apploy. This app is a time tracking tool that keeps you responsible and helps you get the most work done. Apploy helps you make the most of your time and reach your goals by giving you tools like time tracking, activity tracking, and productivity insights. The Noise Ninja. Tired of background noise disrupting your productivity? Have you heard of Crisp? This innovative app uses cutting-edge AI technology to remove background noise from your calls and meetings. Whether you're working from a bustling cafe or a noisy home environment, Crisp will be your best friend, delivering crystal-clear communication and uninterrupted focus. The Deadline Dynamo. Are deadlines causing you stress? Say hello to Do. This app is your personal productivity assistant for keeping track of deadlines, reminders, and regular tasks. With its built-in interface and customizable alerts, Do ensures that you never miss a deadline again. The Social Media Mastermind. If you're a social media enthusiast, Hootsuite is your secret weapon. This powerful social media management tool allows you to schedule and manage your posts across multiple platforms. With Hootsuite, you can manage all of your social media accounts in one place with just one click. The Focus Master. Brain.fm is the best when it comes to focusing and concentrating. This app gives you songs and sounds that scientists have designed to help you get into a deep state of focus and get work done. With Brain.fm, you can say goodbye to distractions and yes to a world of laser-sharp focus. Let the music be the leader of your work symphony. The powerhouse of project management. Let's talk about Hive, shall we? This app is a powerhouse for managing projects. It keeps your tasks and team in sync. Hive makes it easy to stay organized and reach your goals by giving you tools like job tracking, team communication, and connections with popular apps. The Video Virtuoso. Let's jump into the world of graphic interactions with Loom. This app makes it easy to record and share movies, which makes your conversations more interesting and effective. Loom helps you become a video expert who can easily captivate an audience with talks, lessons, or comments. The Amazing Mind Map. With Coggle, it is a whole new way to come up with ideas and keep track of them. You can make interesting thought maps, flowcharts, and graphs with its easy-to-use layout and collaboration features. Coggle will help you get creative and organize your thoughts clearly like a mind-mapping master. The Writing Wizard. Next up, we have Quillbot. This great writing tool will change the way you write and help you get better at it. Quillbot is the best app for improving your writing skills. It can rewrite lines and give you ideas. With Quillbot, you can say goodbye to writer's block and hello to a world full of ideas. The Master Organizer. Last but certainly not least, we have the ultimate organizer, Notion. This all-in-one workspace empowers you to capture ideas, manage projects, and organize your thoughts in a single place. With customizable templates, databases, and Kanban boards, Notion adapts to your unique productivity style, becoming your go-to productivity companion. Conclusion. And there you have it, Productivity Warriors. A thrilling journey through the world of productivity apps and tools that will revolutionize the way you work. So, don't wait another minute. Embrace the power of these awesome apps and tools, and conquer your goals with unstoppable efficiency. And remember, productivity isn't just about getting things done, it's about achieving your goals and making time truly matters. The links to all the apps mentioned can be found in the video description below. And hey, if you have any favorite productivity apps or tools that we missed, let us know in the comments. Together, let's take productivity to new heights.